Hello and welcome. We are coming to the most important accessory products to require during our periods or just to maintain our intimate hygiene during normal days. So the first product that we are going to talk about is a panty liner. Now, panty liner looks a little like pads, but it is not a pad. It is thinner, maybe a little smaller than a pad. And the purpose also is completely different. Period pads are normally used to absorb period flow. They have built-in absorbing capacity, so that it can be used for 7-8 hours to absorb heavy period flows. Versus a panty liner. Panty liner is a very thin, tiny product that is used as a backup on your panty. It is just a product that protects your panties from any kind of discharges. There are different reasons to it, we'll come to that. But this is how a panty liner normally looks, very small, tiny. At Avni, we have developed a range of panty liners which are reusable, like these ones, and we also have a disposable panty liner. So disposable panty liners are use and throw. You use them and throw them. It also comes with a sticker tape at the back, so it sticks on to your pant. If you see the size, it's very tiny. It's not very long, because it is not supposed to give you any kind of discomfort. The only thing we have made sure, especially in the reusable ones, is that we have kept 3 different sizes, because there is a lot of body diversity in the country. When we talk to a plus size woman, this is pretty small for her. She might not need a little more coverage. That is the reason we have this extra large size. So this is the small size, this is the large size, and this is the extra large size. And these are available in both the fabrics, which is the Lush pad fabric, which is organic cotton, and this is the technical polyester blended fabric that we use for our fluff pads. Okay. So now let us understand who can use these products. How can this fit into your daughter's day-to-day lifestyle? The first and foremost is on days which are leading up to your period. Like, you are expecting your period on suppose 17th of the month, but from 14th, 15th, you are just worried that if your period starts a little early and if you might stain your underwear. This is the important product. This product you can use, you can just put on a panty liner, so that if at all any bleeding happens, it will not stain your panties and it will not give you any leaks. This will protect the panties. So this is one usage. The other is on spotting days, the last days, 4th day, 5th day, 6th day, when your flow is not that heavy, but you know that okay, a little bit of protection will definitely help. The third is, if she's using a cup, this product can be a backup, because if the cup is not fit well, it might leak. Any kind of an accident, emergency, let's not leave it to chance. The panty liner can come to the rescue. There are other uses of panty liners which are more towards adult women, like a lot of women during pregnancy or around their menopause age, they experience urine leaks. They experience a little kind of discharge when coughing, sneezing, sitting, standing, or doing some physical activities. That is called as mild urinary incontinence, and this is the perfect product for that condition, because it has enough absorbency, but it is not bulky so that you feel any kind of discomfort. Another place where women find it very comfortable is when traveling. So if you're traveling to a long destination, you have to be sitting for a very long time. Sometimes we feel wetness and that does not feel very comfortable. You know you're not going to be able to change. So panty liner is a very good product for that times. So this product has multiple advantages, and it can be used by anybody who experiences any kind of a discharge, white discharge, vaginal discharge due to infections, mild urinary incontinence, low flow period days, spotting days, waiting for period days, any kind of a days. And the procedure is again simple. You just wash it. This, because it will not have period stains also, you can wash it in the washing machine directly. But we recommend soak it for 10-15 minutes before you do anything, so that anything, if it has been absorbed inside, comes out, and you can then toss it in the washing machine. The disposable one, as I mentioned, it is simple. Just peel this off. This gets peeled like this. Stick it onto your underwear. After you have done this, has a lot of sticking. After you have done, just roll it like this and throw it away. So it's pretty easy to use, especially during travel. Women prefer the disposable ones. So this was all about the panty liners. See you in the next product video in the next chapter.